Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are going to learn Surah Al-Mumtahina English translation. Let's start. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, who is most compassionate or merciful. Ya ayyuha, O you allazina who amanu, believe. La tattakhizu, do not take aduvi, my enemies, wa aduvakum, and your enemies, awliya, as friends, as allies, tulquna, offering ilayhim, them, bil mawadda, love or loving messages, waqad kafaru, while they have disbelieved, bima, in what jaakum, came to you, min al haq, of the truth, yukhrijuna ar-rasul, they driving out the messenger, wa iyyakum, and yourselves, an tu'minu, because you believe, billah, in Allah, rabbikum, who is your Lord, in kuntum, if you kharajtum, come forth, jihadan, to strive, in sabili, in my way, wabtigha, and to seek mardati, my pleasure, my blessings, to sirruna ilayhim bil mawadda, you confide them love, wa ana a'lamu, and but I am most knowing, bima akhfaytum, in what you conceal, wa ma a'lantum, and what you declare, wa man yaf'aluhu minkum, and whoever does it among you, faqad dhalla sawa as-sabil, then certainly he has strayed from the straight path. In yaskafukum, if they gain dominance over you, yakunu lakum aada, yakunu, they would be to you enemies, wayabsutu ilaykum aydiyahum wa alsinatahum, and extend against you their hands and their tongues, bisu'e, with evil, وَوَدُّوا لَوْ تَكْفُرُونَ, and they desire that you would disbelieve. لَنْ تَنْفَعَكُمْ أَرْحَامُكُمْ وَلَا أَوْلَادُكُمْ, never will benefit you your relatives and not your children, يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ, on the day of the resurrection, يَفْصِلُ بَيْنَكُمْ, he will judge between you, Wallahu bima ta'maluna basir, and Allah knows and all seeing what you do. Qad kanat lakum uswatun hasana, indeed there is for you an example, and a good example, or you can say an excellent example, fi Ibrahim, in Ibrahim, wallazina, and those ma'u, with him, is qalu, when they said, liqawmihim, to their people, inna, indeed we, bura'au, are disassociated from minkum, from you, wa mimma ta'buduna min dunillah, and from what you worship from besides Allah, kafarna bikum, we have denied you, wabada bainana, and has appeared between us, wa bainakum, and between you, al adawa, enmity, wal baghdha, and hatred, abadan, forever, hatta, until, tu'minu billahi wahda, you believe in Allah alone, illa, except, qawla Ibrahim, the Ibrahim alayhi salam saying, li abi, for his father, means uncle, la astaghfiran, surely I ask forgiveness for you, luck for you, wama amliku laka min Allahi min shay, and I have no power for you, and I have no possess anything for you from Allah, from anything. Rabbana, O our Lord, alayka tawakkalna, upon you we put our trust. وَإِلَيْكَ أَنَبْنَا, and to you we turn. وَإِلَيْكَ الْمَصِيرُ, and to you in the final return. رَبَّنَا, O our Lord, لَا تَجْعَلْنَا fitna, do not make us a trial. لِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, for those who are disbelievers. وَاغْفِرْ لَنَا, and forgive us. رَبَّنَا, O our Lord, إِنَّكَ, indeed you, Anta, you, Al-Aziz, are the Almighty, Al-Hakim, the All-Wise. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِيهِمْ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ, لَقَدْ, certainly, kana, there is, lakum, for you, fihim, in them, uswatun hasana, an example, good, a good example, liman, for he who, kana, there is, yarju, hopeful, Allah, in Allah, wal yawmil akhir, and the day, and the last day. وَمَنْ يَتَوَلَّى, and whoever turns away, فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ, so Allah, indeed Allah, Huwa, He is Al-Ghani, free of need, Al-Hamid, the praiseworthy, or you can say self-sufficient and praiseworthy. Sadaqallahu Mawlana Al-Azim.